Okay, so I'm in my bathroom, and these shorts are going to be the little snippets of things that's happening behind the scenes while other things are being done, because I'm trying to find a way to get all the footage of the renovations room by room before and after. So I'm in the bathroom, and I have Mr. Willie made me a bigger windowsill, which I had to have. I told him a small one, and I wish I went with the bigger one, so he ended up making something bigger, and in the future you'll probably see the actual making of it and what he did to extend it. So let me show it to you guys. So this is it, and I got the window closed. It gets a lot of great sunlight. I'm gonna show you the two plants that I'm thinking about putting here. Tell me which one you think. I gotta start kind of moving them around because they're clogged up in one area, so tell me what you think. This is number one in one look. Let me show you the other look. Look number two, plant number two, and look number one of plant two. Look number two. Tell me what you think in the comments. Later, gators.